Welcome to J&J's test video of 9551. This is a 99 Trooper, just off the street. Few little things here and there, but runs and drives, just donated and nobody wants it anymore. 141,000 miles. 141, oh you can't see it. 141,383, leather, seats work. Check the sunroof. It's actually not a bad truck. Just an odd duck. You don't see him anymore. It's got that old direct injection V6. Take her for a ride. Transmission works, four-wheel drive works. Just kind of floppy, a little old. See if I can get her into low. That low? Yep, that's low. Oh yeah, there she goes. Check reverse. Oh, that's neutral. Reverse. Whew. Yeah, it works. Alright. Back into high. Back into drive. There you go. Stuff flying across the dash. Yeah, it just needs some struts or something. It's very back and forth and just kind of worn out. Some shocks or something. Alright, and that'll do it for 9551 and 99 Trooper. You don't see these anymore. As always, thank you for watching, and have your pets spayed and neutered.